In a world where dust bunnies often stage a quiet rebellion, the AEG Clean 6000 vacuum cleaner with bag, the remarkable AEG AB61C2DB Handheld Vacuum, emerges as a steadfast champion, a veritable knight in shining armor against the forces of grime. Its powerful motor, a heart of pure engineering, pulses with an unwavering 74 decibels of controlled power. Yet it remains as quiet as a whispering breeze. It is a workhorse, a diligent servant, and it glides across both hard floors and carpets with the grace of a dancer. Never faltering, never leaving a trace of the enemy behind. The 12-meter range, a lifeline of convenience, allows you to traverse entire rooms without the tiresome need to unplug and replug, liberating you from the shackles of limited reach. Furthermore, its advanced filter system acts as an impenetrable shield, capturing even the most minuscule particles, thus ensuring that the air you breathe remains as pure as a mountain spring. A testament to the AEG AB61C2DB Handheld Vacuum's commitment to your well-being. Moreover, the design of this durable handheld vacuum cleaner is a masterclass in ergonomic ingenuity. A perfect blend of form and function. With its sleek blue exterior, it is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the hand. Indeed, its easy maneuverability makes it an extension of your own arm, allowing you to navigate tight corners and tricky spaces with the effortless precision of a skilled artisan. Consequently, the act of cleaning is transformed from a mundane chore into a satisfying, almost therapeutic experience. The bag system, a simple but effective solution, means you no longer have to contend with clouds of dust during disposal, providing a clean and hygienic solution for all. In essence, the AEG AB61C2DB Handheld Vacuum is more than just a tool. It is a partner in the ongoing quest for a pristine and inviting home. A silent guardian that works tirelessly on your behalf. Ultimately, this AEG Clean 6000 vacuum cleaner with bag is an investment in both cleanliness and peace of mind. It is a fortress against the unseen dirt, a beacon of efficiency in a world cluttered with inferior products. Because of its robust construction, it is built to last, a reliable companion that will serve you faithfully for years to come. In conclusion, whether you are battling dust, dander, or debris, this vacuum cleaner stands ready to assist, a testament to the power of thoughtful design and superior engineering. It promises not just a clean floor, but a clean home and a clean conscience, a true sanctuary from the mess of the outside world. It is, without a doubt, a cornerstone of any modern household, a silent hero that works tirelessly, consequently making your life infinitely easier. Pros: very silent, at least as good suction, thoughtful solid design, long 12-meter cord, easy to attach accessories, compact and minimalist design, high-quality materials, glides wonderfully. Very good suction power, quiet and light, different heads well designed, strong suction. Various attachments are a plus. Cons: the storage position is not practical. The cable broke after 6 months. The vacuum is quite loud. Poor customer service features. With bag, powerful motor 12-meter range, for hard floors and carpets, advanced filter system. Easy to maneuver, durable handheld vacuum 74 decibels noise level, color blue. The AEG Clean 6000 bagged vacuum cleaner, model AB61C2DB, is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool. It features a robust motor, a 12-meter cleaning radius, and is suitable for both hard floors and carpets. An advanced filter system ensures effective dust retention, and its durable, easy-to-maneuver handheld design makes cleaning effortless. Operating at a quiet 74 decibels, this blue vacuum cleaner offers a convenient and efficient cleaning experience. The AEG Clean 6000 bagged vacuum cleaner, model AB61C2DB, is a powerful and easy-to-maneuver vacuum designed for both hard floors and carpets. It features a long 12-meter cord and a thoughtful, solid design with high-quality materials. The vacuum is noted for its very good suction power, quiet operation, and light weight. It glides wonderfully and comes with well-designed attachments. Though the storage position for these accessories is not practical, some users have reported issues with the cable breaking and a lack of sound insulation, contradicting the very silent claim. In addition to poor customer service,